Because Richard, as you hear him called Omoima, wacha niseme tu. Omoima, I've seen you have got so many kids around here. Omoima, wako na wamama pia. Lakini, mwenye ulianza nayo life, when I was a young girl in Asumbi, and you were in Kisii Boys, those days was yours truly, Ruth Odinga.